Morning, everyone. I'm Andrew, and I don't want to work anymore. And we're going to trade the Nasdaq today. It's Friday, September 12th, and man, I've been watching this all night. Like yesterday afternoon, I was really looking for a breakout to get all-time highs. Didn't happen, and then like all night I was looking for a breakdown, you know, to like a 50% or greater from this range. And yeah, we're just not getting that either. We got a little bit of a breakdown and then a rise back up, taking out yesterday's high, but really we're still range bound basically, so anything can happen. But ideally I would like to see we take London lows, maybe even, you know, work into this. I think this is a 4-hour gap. I'll bring it over here, and or even yesterday's true day open, anywhere south of this, and then taking all-time highs. Maybe we just take all-time highs right off the bat and then break lower. So tough to say what's going to happen. My A1 bot has already told me to make a sell, except that I don't like to take trades pre-market. I've been burned many times, but I should back test this because the performance over the last, this is 7 days, the 24th to the 12th, that's more than 7 days. It's not 30 days. What is it? I think it was just a custom. Yeah, 20%, right? 2,100 bucks in the last 30 days. That's enough to basically pass a prop firm. So just doing that, I'd have to go through the list of trades, but 60% win-loss ratio, that's pretty great. So anyway, we'll see. Maybe if it comes back up into here, into this inversion, I'll take a sell, because there's the open. Oh, ripping up higher, so that would have been a loss. New day opening gap is like this. This is still the same. This comes down to here. Yeah, take long. I gotta see premium price first. Sorry, discount price. So we gotta come down into at least 50% new day opening gap to take a long. But yeah, it's no setup just yet. There's 50% basically, pretty close. Long wicks, lots of volatility. Everyone's waiting for all-time highs. I think people are gonna get, whoa. I don't know if you guys caught that. That was crazy. So this thing already gave me a sell, but it's already lost, so I'm not even gonna bother keeping that on there. And on this side, we got the J-Dub 5-minute strategy. So we're gonna map out the 5-minute opening range and then a break below on the 1 minute with a retest, and then we can take it in the opposite direction. Wasn't there a super long wick on this? I saw 2 wicks. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video after, because I swear this thing had a wick up here. It's a large first 5-minute opening range. What is that? Shift. Oh, 37 points. It's about the same size as the first or the new day opening gap. No clear bias other than all-time highs. But I would prefer discount prices, relatively equal lows here at true day open. That would probably be the best place to take a long from. It's also by the CISD here. Yeah, I want to take a long from here. Basically, relatively equal lows. I don't need that, so basically these guys here. It's the last 5-minute candle. Yeah, and this will dictate our range. I'm gonna map it out just so we know. Slightly shaded like that. Oh, just got bigger. Look at this 5-minute candle go. Jeez. Need to get a little bit lower here. No first presented fair value gaps yet. That's where I want to take a long now. We swept those relatively equal lows and true day open. An inversion would be perfect right about now, but we don't have first presented fair value gap yet. So that's the minimum. But if we really wanted to get into a discount, it's going to be down here. Sub 946. We'll see if we can get that sort of bear shorter flow if or not. But it looks like we had the accumulation here, and then London manipulated, and we're ready to go higher. And we're just taking out these relatively equal lows now, but we need an entry model to form. Alright, guys, what's up, man? My CRT bot got smoked, but yeah. What were you gonna do though? 9:30 candle took my stop loss. Fuck, bro. Oh, and you were long too. Let's see what J-Dub's got for us. Will we have a return back up into the 5-minute range? There's still no first presented fair value gap here. Blow true day open. We just dropped into a 5-minute, 5-minute fair value gap over here. Kite, what's up, man? Or hello. What are you looking for, Kite? Longs, shorts? Oh, the 5-minute just, there's the tap for the 5-minute strategy if you want to do the J-Dub, targeting yesterday's low. Let's see if it'll do my strategy. It has to close inside and then back outside, and I'll take that. Took a long up 640 on XFA. You on Nasdaq? You took a long and you're up? Is that what I'm reading here? We got a short stream today too. My wife has to go on a Zoom call here. You might hear she's making a ton of noise in the kitchen right now. Yeah, on NQ we bounced. I scalped. Oh, sweet. Well done. So I'm looking for a long now, but it needs to go above, it needs to break above this high here. Well, first we have to break down. Let's see. I'm looking for, it doesn't have to go lower, but it's got to come down one more time and then come up. Something like that is what I want. And then a closure above here. And I'll go for all-time highs. Where's yesterday's low? Yesterday's low would be here. Yeah, it's possible. See here. Up, down, sweep, and then lower again. I don't trust any of this. Not even a single fair value gap yet. Not even on the 5-minute. Damn it. I don't know, other than this volume imbalance. I think there was one on the 1-minute as well. Yeah, there it is. Maybe take an entry off of this order block. Super tough. Any news today? Where the hell are we? September. Friday. Consumer sentiment. Might just have to wait. Could use this order block. It's a small stop. Tiny FVG here. I don't know, can we even use this thing? $26. It's a 1 point. I don't like it. A little bit nicer on the 15-second. think I'm nitpicking over 12 points. Even get a closure back below the 5-minute. I don't know, it's fall. Maybe we're just gonna double top here. By 5 points. Sorry, 6 points. Inside the macro. Frankie B, what's up, bro? I don't know. It's going all right, man. How are you doing? Man, we are in premium, that's for sure. I can't decide if I want to go long or short. I think since we're in premium and we're getting this high resistance for all-time highs since yesterday, basically, we're just flirting with it. We accumulated, we did manipulate lower, and then we did go up, but you know, we didn't continue going up, so I feel like maybe we still gotta come down and rebalance all this price range, because it's been nothing but up. And then I don't even think this is 50%. That's a closure. There we go. This is almost a closure now. What's my stop loss gonna be if I get in here like this? 23 points. Okay. Just need a looking to take profit soon. Nice. Long or short? We got here. Yeah, we're still in premium. We haven't even come down 50% yet. So I would bet on shorts. I just don't have any sort of clear entry model here. Other than this tiny fair value gap that got inverted, but now we're just like painting back and forth. I would love to just take a short here, put it this short-term high, and hope it just completely, well, just keeps rolling over, which is what it looks like it's doing. But it hasn't closed outside of here yet, so, but when it does, I'll take the short. How big would the stop be if I put it at all-time highs? 50 points. $22 if I go there. What about the 15-second chart? Anything in here? It's nothing. Well, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. My wife's gonna be here in less than 6 minutes to start her training Zoom call, so good luck today. Wait for a nice setup, and you guys have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Peace. That's missing a C. All right, see you guys. Oops.